Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a digital asset wallet hardware works, step by step, and how it helps users store, protect, receive, and send digital assets securely. First, the process begins with device setup. The user connects the hardware wallet to a computer or mobile phone and installs the official wallet application. Then, a PIN code is created on the device to protect it from unauthorized access. Next, the user creates a new wallet or recovers an existing wallet using a recovery seed phrase. This seed phrase may be 12 or 24 words, and it works like the master backup key for the wallet. Therefore, it should be written down carefully and kept offline in a safe place. After that, the device generates private keys inside the secure chip. These private keys are created offline and never leave the hardware wallet. This is the main reason hardware wallets are considered safer than storing keys directly on a phone, computer, or online platform. Then, when the user wants to receive digital assets, the wallet app creates a receiving address. This address can appear as a public wallet address or a QR code. The user can share this public address with another person or platform to receive crypto, while the private key remains protected inside the device. Once the transaction is sent to that address and confirmed on the blockchain, the digital assets appear in the wallet balance. At this stage, the wallet shows that the funds have been received, but the actual control of those assets depends on the private keys stored inside the hardware wallet. Now, when the user wants to send digital assets, they enter the recipient address and amount in the wallet app. This creates an unsigned transaction, meaning the transaction is prepared but not yet approved by the private key. After that, the transaction details are sent to the hardware wallet for verification. The user checks the recipient address and amount directly on the device screen. This step is very important because it helps prevent malware or fake software from secretly changing the transaction details. Then, the user approves the transaction on the hardware wallet. The device uses the private key inside the secure chip to sign the transaction. Importantly, the private key does not leave the device at any point. Next, the signed transaction is sent back to the wallet application and broadcast to the blockchain network. The blockchain network then checks and processes the transaction so it can be recorded publicly and securely. Finally, once the network confirms the transaction, the transfer is complete. The wallet app shows the successful transaction, and the digital assets are sent to the receiver's wallet address. Overall, a digital asset hardware wallet provides offline security, malware protection, transaction verification, and full ownership of digital assets. However, users must always protect their seed phrase, never share it with anyone, and keep it offline, private, and safe. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.